आज हम लोग हॉस्पिटल एंड क्लिनिकल फार्मेसी के एमसीक्यूज यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट हॉस्पिटल्स आर करेक्ट एक्सेप्ट। सो ऑप्शन ए, हॉस्पिटल इंक्लूड्स सर्विसेज फॉर डायग्नोसिस, prophylaxis and treatment of diseases to the sick or injured patients. Option B, medical research is an important activity in the hospital. Option C, hospitals promote self-medications by the patients. And option D, hospitals provide education and training to medical students, nurses and pharmacists. So, which sentence is not related to hospital?
C.
Correct. C. Hospital promote self medications by the patients. This is wrong. ये गलत है. ठीक है. This is the wrong statements related to hospital. ठीक है. Then next question. In hospitals, PTC is option A, pharmacy and therapeutic committee. Option B, pharmacist and technicians committee. Option C, professional trainers committee. And option D, pharmacy trainers committee. So, what do you think?
Pharmacy and Therapeutic Committee.
Correct. Answer A. Option A. Pharmacy and Therapeutic Committee. ठीक है. Next question. Ambulatory patients. Option A are required to admit in the ward for treatment. Option B are required to go home after taking treatment in OPD. Option C require emergency treatment. And option D are required to shift on ventilator immediately. So, who are ambulatory patients?
Are required to go home after taking treatment in OPD.
Correct. Option B is correct. ठीक है. Ambulatory patients मतलब ही आउट पेशेंट. ठीक है. Ambulatory मतलब आउट पेशेंट. ठीक है. Next question. DIS stands for option A, Drug Information Services. Option B, Drug Implementation Services. Option C, Drug Including Syndrome. And option D, Drug Incorporation Services.
Drug Information Services.
Correct. Option A, Drug Information Services. Correct answer. Question number 5. A hospital pharmacist should possess the following ability or abilities. So option A, administrative ability. Option B, research ability. Option C, manufacturing ability. And option D, all of these. क्या लगता है?
All of the above.
Correct. Yes. Option D, all of this. Correct answer. Then next question. EOQ stands for option A, economic order quantity. Option B, equipment order quantity. Option C, essential order quantity. And option D, enlist order quantity. So what is the correct answer?
Economic order quantity.
Correct. Option A is correct. ठीक है. Next question. HVAC stands for option A, high vacuum and air collection. Option B, high ventilating and air conditioning. Option C, high ventilating and air collection. And option D, high valence and air conditioning.
High ventilating and air conditioning.
Correct. Option B is correct one. ठीक है. Then question 8. Which one of the following is an ingredient of universal antidote? So option A, calcium carbonate. Option B, potassium permanganate. Option C, activated charcoal. And option D, sugar.
Activated charcoal.
Correct. Option C is activated charcoal. That is the correct answer. ठीक है. Then next question. ICU stands for option A, International Care Unit. Option B, Intensive Care Unit. Option C, Insensitive Care Control Unit. And option D, Internal Control Unit.
Intensive Care Unit.
Correct. So option B, Intensive Care Unit is the correct answer. Then next question. Decrease in neutrophils count is option A, eosinophilia. Option B, schizophrenia. Option C, neutropenia. Option D, neutrophilia.
Neutropenia.
Yes. option C, neutropenia is the correct answer. Then question number 11, CT scanner is option A, calculated tomography, option B, computed tomography, option C, complete tomography, and option D, computer technology.
Computed tomography.
Correct. Computed tomography. CT scanner is computed tomography. Question 12. Select the dosage form from which a drug will be absorbed most rapidly. Option A, suspensions. Option B, solutions. Option C, capsules. Option D, tablets. Yes.
Solutions.
Solutions. Option B, solutions is the correct answer. Then question 13. Thalidomide as a tranquilizer and hypnotic given to a pregnant woman is option A, carcinogenic, option B, teratogenic, option C, mutagenic, and option D, hemolytic.
Teratogenic.
Correct. Thalidomide is teratogenic. Okay. Thalidomide disaster was there. Okay. Then next question. Thermolabile substances are sterilized by option A, autoclaving, option B, hot air oven, option C, filtration, option D, tyndallization.
Filtration.
Correct. Option C, filtration is the correct answer. Next, translation of collyrium into English is option A, cough syrup, option B, eye lotion, option C, ear drop, option D, nasal drop. What is collyrium?
Eye lotion.
Correct. It is eye lotion. Question 16. What advice must be given to patients while using hematinics? Option A, may color feces reddish brown to black. Option B, may color urine reddish brown to black. Option C, may cause diarrhea. And option D, may increase salivation. So,
May color feces reddish brown to black. A.
correct. Option A is correct. Next question, question 17. First pass effect is option A, metabolism of drug in liver before it enters into the systemic circulation. Option B, metabolism of drug in liver after its distribution in the systemic circulation. Option C, excretion of drug in urine before it enters into the systemic circulation. And option D, excretion of drug in feces before it enters into the systemic circulation. So what is first pass effect?
Metabolism of drug in the liver before it enters into the system circulation.
Correct. So option A is the correct one. Okay. Next question. CT scanner is used for option A, morphological examination of organs of body. Option B, microscopical examination of organs of body. Option C, physical examination of organs of body. And option D, prenatal examination.
Option A.
Yes, it is option A, morphological examination of organs of body. That is the correct one. Then next question. Foley's catheter is used to option A, insert IV line. Option B, drain bladder in case of urine retention. Option C, evacuate bowel. And option D, induce vomiting.
Drain bladder in case of urine retention.
Correct. Option B, drain bladder in case of urine retention is the correct answer. Then question 20. Under storage conditions, the meaning of cold is option A, temperature 0 degree centigrade or below 0 degree centigrade. Option B, temperature between 2 to 8 degree centigrade. Option C, temperature between 8 to 25 degree centigrade. And option D, temperature 25 degree centigrade or above 25 degree centigrade. So cold temperature means
2 to 8.
correct. Option B, temperature between 2 to 8 degree centigrade is the correct one. Then question number 21. Military hospitals are owned and controlled by option A, state government hospitals. Option B, central government. Option C, local self-government. And option D, private trust hospital. So who
Central government.
yes, pardon?
Central government hospitals.
Yes, central government hospitals. Military hospitals are central government hospitals. ठीक है. So कोई मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल का एग्जांपल बता सकते हो? डू यू नो एएफएमसी? एएफएमसी पता है आपको?
Yes, sir.
इट इज आर्म फोर्सेस मेडिकल कॉलेज पुणे, राइट? पुणे में ही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द क्राइटेरिया फॉर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स? ऑप्शन ए ओनरशिप, ऑप्शन बी नंबर ऑफ बेड्स, ऑप्शन सी स्पेशलिटीज एंड ऑप्शन डी स्टाफ क्वालिफिकेशन.
Staff qualification.
Yes, staff qualification is not the criteria for the classification of hospitals. ठीक है. Next question. All statements about drug addiction are correct except option A, tolerance is developed, option B, there is a tendency to increase the dose, option C, withdrawal symptoms are not severe and are rare, and option D, it is accompanied with physical and psychological dependence. So
Withdrawal symptoms are not severe and are rare.
correct, option C. So drug addiction के केस में there can be severe withdrawal symptoms. ठीक है. Okay. Then question 24. Any response to a drug which is noxious and unintended and which occurs at doses used in man for prophylaxis, diagnosis or therapy is option A, therapeutic effect of drug, option B, side effect of drug, option C, adverse effect of drug, and option D, normal effect of drug.
Option C.
Yes, it is option C, adverse effect of drug. Okay. Then next question. Which one of the following is a predictable adverse drug reaction? Option A, idiosyncrasy. Option B, allergic drug reaction and anaphylaxis. Option C, excessive pharmacological effect. And option D, hypersensitivity reactions. Yes.
Option A.
No, it is unpredictable. idiosyncrasy जो होती है that is unpredictable. So जो predictable होती है that is the excessive pharmacological effect. मतलब यदि किसी ड्रग का हम ओवरडोज करते हैं, ओवरडोजिंग, तो ओवरडोज अगर होता है तो उस केस में क्या फार्मेकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट हो सकते हैं उसका हम पहले से अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं, उसे प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. बाकी उसके अलावा इडियोसिंक्रेसी है या एलर्जिक ड्रग रिएक्शन एंड एनाफिलैक्सिस है, हाइपरसेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शंस है, इसे प्रेडिक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता. ठीक है. ये एट द टाइम ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी हो सकते हैं या फिर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन करने के कुछ समय के बाद भी ये इफेक्ट हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. Okay. Now next one, question 26. Which one of the following drugs may cause anaphylaxis? Option A, paracetamol. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, penicillin. And option D, omeprazole. It is penicillin. Okay. So option C, penicillin can cause anaphylaxis. ठीक है. So question 27. Select the role or roles of PTC in drug safety. Option A, take care that dispensing is done only by the pharmacist. Option B, follow off GMP effectively in the in-house manufacturing unit. Option C, providing a library and documentation facility. And option D, all of the above.
All of the above.
Correct. It is all of the above. Next question. The inpatient drug distribution system in which medications are ordered, packed, handled, administered and charged in the form of multiples of single dose unit containing a predetermined amount of drug for one regular use or application is option A, floor stock system, option B, unit dose dispensing, option C, drug dispensing at dispensary, and option D, SOS dispensing. So what is it?
Option B.
Unit dose dispensing.
Yes, it is option B, unit dose dispensing. Okay. Then question 29. How many copies of purchase order are prepared? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 5 and option D 7.
7.
7 correct. ये कल हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था. ठीक है. Next question. The branch of pharmacy which is concerned with various aspects of patient care and deals not only with dispensing of drug but also advising the patients on safe and rational use of drugs is option A, social pharmacy, option B, hospital pharmacy, Option C, clinical pharmacy, and option D, dispensing pharmacy.
Clinical
Clinical
pharmacy.
pharmacy.
Correct. It is option C, clinical pharmacy.